Oh, shoot! This one, this one's a beast. Oh God! Is that 5 for you now, is it?
4 now.
4. Well, they're on now. Oh, he's a bugger. It's my second fish, caught one earlier. Oh, he's a beast. Oh, he's a little one. Wow. Wow, this one looks different.
What do you mean it looks different?
Well, it ain't. He's been in here a while, and it's not a rainbow. Yeah, my son caught a Spartan, but it looked a bit different to this. Let's have a look. Where are you? Oh, cool. It's like blue.
Is it?
Yeah. What are you? See?
Yeah, trout.
Blue trout.
Yeah.
Oh, happy days, that'll.
Yeah, don't see many of them.
Alright. Excellent. Oh, I should get a photo. My first blue trout. Oh, going. Oh, he's not looking very good. Hey, happy days. He's not doing very well, this. Come on, off you go. Off you go. Off you go. Off you go. Go on, off you go. Off you go. Awesome. Blue trout, eh? They usually run a mile when they get to the net. First of the day. You caught many here? First, oh, I only caught one 3 weeks ago for the first time. Oh, here we are. This is fish number 5. 3 for today. Might get my 8 today. I'm already on 3. Well, no, I haven't caught this one yet. Oh, shoot. This one, this one's a beast. Oh, God. I'm gonna go soon, mate. You wanna come over here, yeah? I might take this one. if it's not a blue trout, that is. And I get it in. I've lost a whole load of them. Monday I lost 4 out of 4. I haven't seen him yet. Oh, I think it's just... I might do. I'll catch one more. If I take this one, I'll go, obviously. Everyone's catching, yeah. So I just swapped over to a damsel and I'm in straight away. Have you got one of them?
Well, I just caught them now, so keep with it.
Oh yeah. Of course, yeah, sorry. Hey, your boy though.
It's got the fly that the guy was using.
Oh yeah. I think this is a brown. I'm not sure. No, it's not a brown. Oh, I think it is. I'm not sure. I'll soon find out when I get it near the net. My son caught a massive Spartic here. Yeah, it was hilarious. We'd packed up and it was dark. And I was like shouting, where are you? And then I get a text. And then I get a phone call, Dad, come. I need a hand net in this. This one don't want to know. But he's in the net. Oh yeah. Yeah, time to go home. Oh, what is this? Is that a rainbow?
That is rainbow, yeah. It should be. Yeah.
Yeah, it's a rainbow, yeah.
Yeah.
It's my glasses. They mess everything up. So,